So you have to remember that 1 mole corresponds to always 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms or molecules or particles or ions or whatever it may be. Now the next article is molar mass. The name itself indicates molar mass means mass of 1 mole of substance. The mass of 1 mole of a substance may be element or compound, but always in grams, is known as molar mass. Before this we studied molecular mass, it was in unified mass, molar mass in grams. Now next is moles of gases. 1 mole of any gas occupies a volume of 22.4 dm cube at STP is known as molar volume of a gas. What is STP? STP means standard temperature and pressure. Standard temperature is always 0 degree Celsius, that is 273.15 Kelvin, and standard pressure is always equal to 1 atmosphere. Nowadays, instead of using 1 atmospheric pressure, we are going to use 1 bar pressure as a standard pressure, and if we use 1 bar pressure, then volume changes to 22.71 liter per mole. But when we use standard temperature as 0 degree Celsius and standard pressure as 1 atmosphere, at that time standard molar volume is always equal to 22.4 dm cube for 1 mole of substance. From this we conclude two formulas. First one is number of moles of gas which are represented by small n is equal to volume of gas at STP divided by 22.4 dm cube per mole. And the second formula, number of molecules is equal to number of moles into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules per mole. You have to remember both the formulae to solve the numericals. These are the very important formulas as far as mole concept is concerned. Now let us study first numerical problem of this chapter. Mass of an atom of oxygen in gram is 26.56896 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram. What is the atomic mass of oxygen in unified mass? As we studied relation before this lecture, since 1.66056 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram corresponds to one unified mass, therefore whatever mass given in gram is equal to how much? Just by doing cross multiplication we get the answer of this question. So 26.56896 into 10 raised to minus 24 into 1 divided by 1.66056 into 10 raised to minus 24. 10 raised to minus 24, 10 raised to minus 24 get cancelled with each other and only remains 26.56896 divided by 1.66056. Now with the help of logarithmic table, लॉगबुकच्या साहाय्याने आपल्याला हे कॅल्क्युलेशन करायचंय. लॉगबुक तुम्हाला फिजिक्सच्या लेक्चरला डिटेलमध्ये शिकवल्या जाणार आहे. ते शिकवलं की त्यानंतर या कॅल्क्युलेशनची प्रॅक्टिस म्हणून तुम्ही घरी हे कॅल्क्युलेशन सोडवायचे आणि आन्सर काढायचे. कसं सोडवणार आहात? अँटी लॉग ऑफ दिस न्यूमरेटर व्हॅल्यू मायनस लॉग ऑफ दिस डिनॉमिनेटर व्हॅल्यू. हे कसं लिहिलं, कसं आलं, याच्या डिटेल स्टेप्स तुम्हाला शिकवल्या जाणार आहेत. फक्त मी तुम्हाला आता इथपर्यंत सोडवून दिलंय. हे कॅल्क्युलेशन जेव्हा लॉगबुक वापरून तुम्ही करणार तेव्हा तुमच्या लक्षात येईल की फायनल आन्सर कम्स 16 अँड द युनिट इज युनिफाईड मास बिकॉज क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड इन इट mass of oxygen in unified mass. So mass of oxygen in unified mass is equal to 16 unified mass. जेव्हा फिजिक्स मध्ये लॉगबुक शिकवून होईल तुम्हाला लॉगॅरिथमिक टेबल, लॉग, अँटी लॉग, त्यावेळेस या क्वेश्चनचा आन्सर तुम्ही कॅल्क्युलेट करायचे आणि ते एक्झॅक्टली 16 येतंय का हे चेक करायचंय. ठीक आहे. या पुढचे न्यूमरिकल्स आपण पुढच्या लेक्चरला कंटिन्यू करणार आहोत. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टॉप हिअर ओनली. थँक्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू.